it's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now Never Crew, and we are in Squamish, BC. I'm teaching a summer camp here for the next 4 days, so I'm filming on abroad or just outside of my usual filming spot. So I'm gonna show you guys around the city a little bit as far as like filming in dope locations, but for today, since I just got here, I'm just gonna do a quick video here and a nice dance tour, because this wood, bro,
we will never part again.
It's nice. So today, we're going over 3 unique footwork steps. Let's go. So first step I want to teach you guys is my 3-step that I created out of 2-step. So this is like a front power 2-step, but I made it into a 3-step by adding in the front of the Z step into it. So it's kind of like a merging of multiple steps. So to start my 3-step, basically all we're gonna do is bring one leg in front and do a reverse CC. So reverse CC looks like this. So basically, rather than do a normal CC like that, you're bringing this front leg to your bum as your bent leg goes out in front of you. So it's like a little snap motion. Snap, back, okay? So that's gonna be our switch. Just like a 6-step CC, we're gonna do the same thing but with this 2-step, okay? So again, going hit, center. Then, right here, you're gonna lean your way onto your left arm, then you're gonna bring this leg all the way to the back corner, okay? So you want this leg to land behind this arm, just like that, okay? This leg just staying up here. Then the leg that's high is gonna sweep all the way to the front. Zoom, like that. Then once you get to the front, you're just gonna switch your hands and reverse CC on this side now. This is the direction change to bring you back the other way. Left foot going in front, right to your bum. Hit, center, then again, land on the leg that's out, sweeping, hit, then this leg going all the way to the front, and then switching, hit, and other way around now. Going 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. Now as soon as you figured out the actual step, what you want to do is you want to start adding some speed into it, because this step's actually harder, believe it or not, when you do it slower. Because if you're going to rely on a little bit of momentum, it's going to help you out a lot. So this time, add a little bit more speed into it, going hit and 1, 2, hit and 1, 2, hit and 1, 2, hit and 1, 2. And that's the step. A couple key things you may not think about that I want to remind you of is, number 1, this is a fully leaning on your arms intensive move. So make sure each position you're in, you're leaning on your arms as much as you can, okay? The more you can lean on your arms, the easier it's gonna be to leverage your body faster and faster. Also, the more you lean your weight over your arms, the less weight's gonna be on your feet, which means you can go faster and faster and make it more floaty, okay? Also, for your reverse CC, really make sure you're opening this leg up and hooking it back, like that, okay? The more you can keep that open, the better it's gonna look. Final note from your reverse CC, when you're coming around here, if you don't bring that leg, that back leg in the back, high, people aren't gonna notice it, okay? Because you're skipping this step right here, that leg's gonna be coming up later. So make sure that this leg is high. The higher it is, the more trippy it'll look. Second one of my favorite ones that I've created, 52-step. So 52-step is an old step that I've created. You may have seen it around in other tutorials, but I haven't taught it on my own channel, so I figured I probably should. So why I call it 52-step is because I have 5 steps on each side of your 6-step. So 5 plus 2 equals 52. So basically all you're gonna be doing is starting from your hook, like this, here. Then from here, you're gonna step this back leg out to the side. Here, when you do this, make sure you lean your weight forwards and bum high. Then you're gonna bring your right leg or your second leg back. Then you're gonna bring your first leg in. Then bring your other leg in, here. Then bring the front leg behind, center. Okay, so try again. Going hook, out, out, in, back, center. Now to do the other side, all you're gonna do from your push-up position is go step, like a 6-step, hook in, make sure that hook is not super tight or else you won't be able to do the next part. Then go high knee, step back, cross around, center. So that side again was step, hook, high knee, out, around, center. and hook, in, high knee step, around center. So there's two ways to do this. You can either go from the front just one time, which had a little bit of a different look, looks like this, or you can go, so if you want that continuous feel, do it from the back, side to side. If you just want one, then just start it from the front. Your choice. For the sake of learning both, we're gonna start with the front and then just do the back, So slowly again, going, hook, out, in, cross back, around center, and cross, in, out, around center. So what makes this step look nice is a contrast between big and small. So starting, sweep, big, hook small, out big, small, tight to your chest, big, and around, going tight, out, which is big now, around center. So try to be aware that whenever your knees are close to your chest, you're tucked in. Whenever you're going out, you're wide. You can obviously add your own style to it, but that's how I do it, and that's how I think it looks best. So one more time, going through it slowly, going hook, out, in, around, and center, and hook, in, around, and center. Now just add a little bit of speed into it. Going, boom, 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 tap. All right, step number 3, and you know this is one of my favorites, and that's your step ball change in footwork, in the back of footwork. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's been a long day. So for this, all you're gonna do is start in your push-up position, okay? Like this. You're gonna step, whichever leg you want. I'm starting with my left, in front like this. As soon as I step this foot down, you wanna push off of it. So step, push like that. Push, you're gonna use that push to step this foot backwards. Boom, like that. So pushing your weight, boom, backwards. Then your other foot comes back to the side. Then all you do, rotate your hips, step here, repeat. Stepping and pushing off like that. Push, step. And then you switch. This side going push, step. Rotate, push, step. Rotate, 1, 2, 3. Rotate, 1, 2, 3. So the more you can make that like a reverb, boom, 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 boom. The more of an illusion this step's gonna look, and the better it'll also look. So go again. Going 1, 1, 2, 3. Notice how my hand comes off a little bit? Stylistic choice. I like to do it, your choice. 1, 2, 3. Rotate, 1, 2, 3. Turn, 1, left, right. Rotate, 1, right, left. Rotate, 1, left, right. Rotate, left, 1, 2. Rotate, right, 1, 2. Then all you gotta do, get yourself lower, because the lower you are, the faster you'll be able to go, and use your hips more. So now, lower, hips, 1, 2. Hips, 1, 2. Hips, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then all you gotta do is add more and more speed into it. What a lot of people don't get about this is the illusion aspect of it. Because a lot of people understand this. But that doesn't look that pretty. But when you add, that is what makes it look nice. And to do that, all you have to do is push off that foot. If you push off that foot, it's gonna have that illusion aspect of it because you're stepping that direction, but your body's going the opposite. So it has that woom, 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 woom. Boopy scoop. Again, going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch my hips. Push. Bum. Lead with your butt to the back. Lead with your butt. Lead with your butt. Lead. Butt. Butt. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All my weight over. All my weight over. Push it over. Push it over. Push it over. Push it over. Push. 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 Okay, y'all. That's a wrap. Your boy has been teaching all day and is gassed. I need to eat and go check into my hotel. Sorry if I was a little low energy today, but yeah, going off like not much sleep and no excuses, but I'm faded. So I'm gonna go home to the hotel, maybe go for a swim, get some food, edit the video, and just settle into the night. All right, thanks so much for watching. This is your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never Crew. If you like this video, please comment down below, like, subscribe, and smash that bell button for more videos. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.